Having gone through glorious years. Baoyu new materials. More than 10 years of glory. With unwavering perseverance, a solid cornerstone for the development of casting enterprises. Baoyu new materials, with its high-quality explosion-proof film, bringing revolutionary protection to cars. Our multiple solar film products, its privacy, thermal insulation, retention, UV protection and other properties are diverse. Multiple series of car paint protective films, from transparent series to multicolor series, can be used for car paint surfaces, provide varying degrees of protection. Baoyu has EUC certification, National Quality System certification, multiple certifications and honors, including high-tech enterprises. These honors are not only recognition of the quality of Baoyu, it is also the driving force behind our continuous pursuit of excellence. Baoyu has a leading national research and manufacturing experimental base, more than 10 independent invention patents. It is the best proof of our innovation ability, adhering to the spirit of craftsmanship. Baoyu new materials, 14 years of professional manufacturing experience. Our products not only serve China, moving towards the world, contribute to the development of the global automotive industry.